Don't do show off. Yeah, I know that it's your favorite topic because no matter how many people tell you, but still you make this mistake again and again. If you seriously want to save more and more money, you need to stop this. Do you know that doing show off is the fastest way to become poor? Now it's your choice what you want to do, save money or waste money by showing off to other people who really don't care about you. Number two, never increase your expenses with an increment. If you want to save more money, you need to understand that you have a limited amount of money and your expenses are seriously unstoppable. You need to fix this mistake anyhow. If you increase your expenses with the increment, that is seriously the red flag for you. Let's say if you earn $1 million every month and you spend 1 million, what's the use of that? So you can't do this stupidity if you seriously want to save more money. Number three, do full payment instead of EMI. Well, I know you might be doubtful about what I'm saying, but seriously, let's say you want to get something and you have that amount of money, you should go with full payment rather than doing EMI. I know if something that you want it requires lots of capital, then EMI is okay, but if that amount is payable in one pay, you should go with it because you never know and you don't know how much interest you pay, or you can say that you waste your money in those extra EMI interest. So I highly suggest if you have that money, don't pay out that extra amount of money in the form of EMI. Number four, delayed gratification. It's very important. Listen, many times it happens that we want something, but later after some moment we realize that no, it's not needed that much. Or it happens that we buy something and after that we regret that why we purchased that particular thing. So delayed gratification not only helps you to save money but also helps to make you mature person when it comes to taking a wise decision. Number five, 30-day saving rule. 30-day saving rule is amazing, and if you follow this, you will instantly save tons of amount of money. If you don't believe me, just be with me. Let's say you want to buy something. Let's say its price is around $1,000. You think that it is important, but you wait for 30 days. You will just wait for it, and after 30 days, you realize that you don't need that thing. Number six, look for discount. There are lots of voucher, coupon codes, and all those discounts which are available throughout the day and every day. But listen to one thing, that if you seriously need that thing, you will go looking for that discount. And if you don't need that thing, don't unnecessarily spend money. Okay, purchasing anything just because they had given discount on that, you can't do this mistake. Number seven, have a list before going shopping. Well, this mistake many people make. I don't know why, but try to understand, when you go outside without planning, you will end up purchasing anything which you are not thought. So do try to make a list before going out so that you can save a huge amount of money. And I know when you do this one day, you will not understand the first day, but when you do this every day, you will see that you have saved lots of money at the end of the month. Number eight, use cash instead of online payment. Shocked by listening? You need to switch to this because you never know, or we never know while we do transaction online without looking at the bank balance how much money left, and we can't feel that when it goes from your account. But when you make a cash payment, it seriously hurts you that yeah, you paid that much amount of money because you can feel that cash. You know that it is going from your hand. You are seeing that. But when it comes to online, you never know. You can't feel that anything. Not talking about everyone, but yeah, at least many of us don't get an idea. If you don't have a cash and it's an emergency, then you can go with online payment. Number nine, bulk shopping. Don't get me wrong, I am trying to say here that if you buy every small things every now and then, take an example of student. Let's say you buy one notebook every time, so you will get that in some extra amount. But once you get that notebook in a bulk, you will get a good amount of discount. So in that way, you can save your money or for anything. Okay, so buy in bulk if possible while doing shopping or all those things. So act smart, don't purchase anything without thinking. Number 10, pay off debt as soon as possible. When you take a debt, you need to pay interest on top of that, right? And the longer you pay, that means that you need to pay those extra amount of money in the form of interest, you to know. But you still makes this mistake. So try to clear as soon as possible. If you get some money from anywhere, or bonus, increment, or whatever, just try to pay off your debt as soon as possible. If it is 9 month EMI, get it done within 6 months, or try to minimize the duration by giving extra EMI. Number 11, government transportation. There is not necessary always that if you have your personal four-wheeler or two-wheeler that you should go with that. Yeah, I know that you had purchased that vehicle for transportation, right? But there are lots of ways. Instead of that, you can use government service which will help you to save your money only.